Hello everyone, this is question number 7 on simple interest. Question goes like this. Aditya lent two equal sums of money to Dikshit and Chinmaya. While Dikshit agreed to pay simple interest at 5% per annum, Chinmaya will pay simple interest at the rate of 6% per annum. At the end of 10 years, Aditya received rupees 1000 more from Chinmaya towards interest. How much did Aditya lend to Dikshit and Chinmaya each? Let me write like this. Initial capital or initial principal, initial sum, Dikshit, Chinmaya. We don't know what is that. That is what we have to find. Both are getting equal sum, so I'll call that as C. Dikshit interest, simple interest rate for Dikshit, we'll call it as I1, which is 5%, so it is 0.05. Chinmaya, it is I2, and that is 6%, so it is 0.06. Number of years, both are 10 only. So N, I'll call it as 10. The final amount at the end of 10 years, Aditya received rupees 1000 more from Chinmaya. Suppose if I consider Dikshit's final amount as A, then Chinmaya's amount will be A plus 1000. That is what is given in the question. So we have now A, that is Chinmaya's amount, sorry, Dikshit's final amount. Is C and I, so C times N, that is 10.05. And Chinmaya's amount, which is A plus 1000. C times N, that is 10 into 0.06. If I multiply this, sorry, this what I wrote is not amount, it is actually simple interest. Or here I should have changed the formula. This is actually C times 1 plus N I1. This is C times I plus N into I2. Yeah, now it is correct. So C times 1 plus 10 times 0.05. C times 1 plus 10 into 0.06. So we have A equal to, what is that? 0.05 into 10 plus 1. It becomes 1.5 times C. If I consider this as 1, this as 2, this is actually our simplified one. Similarly, A plus 1000 is equal to 1.6 times C. This is from our 2. Now subtract second equation minus first equation. A and A will get cancelled. 1000 minus 0 will be 1000. 1.6 minus 1.5 is 0.1 times C. That means C is 1000 divided by 0.1, which gives us rupees 10,000. Means that is what we are supposed to find. How much Aditya lent to Dikshit and Chinmaya each? So I can say C is the amount which was lent to both Chinmaya and Dikshit by Aditya. That is the solution. We'll again meet in our next video. Till then, take care. See you all.